My name is P. Siddhita. Today I am going to tell you A to Z Ramasna Novali. A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanumata Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jagadabhi Rama, K for Kausalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maryada Rama, N for Narahari Rama, O for Omkara Rama, P for Purushottama Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraka Rama, U for Udatta Rama, V for Vasistha Rama, W for Vaikunta Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Janahita Rama. Thank you.